Hi, we are running around today and first stop is a massage. Yay. I did a couple things this morning first, but the first main thing is I'm headed for a massage. I planned this just months and months ago because the girl that I really like, she gets booked up. She only works a couple days a week. So I had to plan this so long ago. In a perfect world, I have other things I should be doing today, but it's planned. I'm doing it. So going to get a massage and then I need to run to Sephora and I'm going to hit Loft. I'm going to start thinking about what I'm packing because in a couple days I leave for Florida. So very excited about that since it's so darn cold. Actually though, today it is 30 degrees outside Fahrenheit and it seems like spring. I mean, it's been so cold that actually seems warm. So anyway, let's go get a massage. Oh yay. All right, here we go. Well, I did pick up a few things from Sephora. I'll have to show you when I get home. So I just was in line at Sephora and I saw this, that Kanye and Kim revealed that their daughter's name is Chicago West. So yeah. And I just ran in the MAC store because it's right next to Sephora to get a lip liner in half red for a friend of mine because she can't get this color where she lives. So she's going to be getting this from me once I can get it sent. It'll probably be after I get back from Florida, but yeah, it'll be a gift. Should be surprising for her. Half red, good stuff. Just got home, had just enough time to quickly clean up. I changed my clothes a little bit and heading out to another appointment. Then I'm stopping by my P.O. box after that. And I have not eaten all day and it's around a little after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Not one bite have I had. So I brought quickly in my bag here, I brought these these Glutino, it's like a blueberry bar. And it's gluten-free, so I'm gonna munch on that, and that's gonna be my meal for the day until dinner. So let's go to the next appointment. This is the chandelier that's in the waiting room of my dermatologist office. Well, that took forever, and now I'm on my way to the P.O. box to check for things there and mail something. And then I might do Walgreens tomorrow because it's getting later and I need to do figure out dinner. So that's happening next. So post office box. How exciting. I have 2 packages. Yay. So I'm sitting here trying to figure out if we have something like what's in my freezer. Do I have something I can throw together for dinner tonight? Or do I need to stop at the store on the way home first? So do you guys ever do that? I don't know what to make. So yeah, I'm doing this like mental thing where I'm trying to figure out what we have and what I can put together that everybody will like. Decided not to go to the grocery store, but I'd find something here. I remembered I have these chicken cutlets, so we're going to have those. And I'm going to bread them a little bit with this gluten-free Italian flavored stuff. So breaded chicken cutlets, and then I have this Marsala wine pan sauce. It's really good from Sonoma. I have mushrooms, and I'm going to make this gluten-free fettuccine and put it with like an olive oil and garlic kind of a sauce. So that with some sort of vegetable will be dinner. Yay, I didn't have to go to the store. Have any of you tried the Nature Clean shampoo and conditioner? I was sent this set to give a try, and it looks really nice. It's premium herbal conditioner and shampoo. So I'm going to give that a try and see what I think. If you've tried it, let me know what you think. Hey, I got this in the mail too. I ordered this a while back from Bare Minerals. Let me show you what this is. Hold on. Okay, it is the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronzer. It's supposed to have like just this lovely silky, kind of like a glow, but with a little bit of bronze to it too. I thought I'd give it a try, and it has this cute little kabuki brush that comes with it too. So that's something new to try. And when cooking something vaguely Italian, you have to listen to Italian restaurant music on Alexa. She heard me say her name. Getting started here. Getting started. By the way, last time I made a meal with the pan sauce from Williams-Sonoma. I took a picture of it and put it on my Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I'll put my thing down here. You find out all sorts of weird stuff going on in my day. Anyway, I put the pan sauce picture on my Instagram, and Williams-Sonoma, which is where you buy it, asked if they could use my picture on their website, and I said yes, and they did. So yeah, that's on the website. I'm so excited. It's the coolest thing. I'll insert something here and you'll see it. Okay, got olive oil and garlic and mushrooms in this pan so far. More garlic sauteing here with some olive oil and just get that softened up for other things. Yeah. Okay, dinner, this is it. It's the gluten-free pasta, the chicken with the Marsala sauce and mushrooms, and I'm done. So, yeah. So I'm tired, and that's it for the night. I will show you the stuff that I got today, probably in a video that I will film tomorrow, and you'll get that soon too. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me and going everywhere with me today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.